All right, yeah, Black Friday, we'll get the deals up. Here we go. Beekeepers, we've got our biggest sale of the year. Black Friday is here. You're gonna save up to 25% off all of our products at premierbeeproducts.com. This includes a solid bottom board, unassembled frames, our unassembled boxes with the beautiful dovetail joint, self-squaring. We got Propola Hive bodies and Hive Kits with the roughened interior texture, wax dipped equipment from Endura Hive, telescoping lids with the night white aluminum cover, our assembled frame, yellow, black, you name it. We got medium and deep. We got our Puracell Foundation, single, double, triple wax. You can get it all, premierbeeproducts.com. Thanks for watching another video from Premier Bee Products. To subscribe, click this button right here and join thousands of other beekeepers. If you want to watch another video, click that button right there. And to shop any of our products, check out the description below. See you soon.